The top 10 moves that fight against arthritis to bring back flexibility in the joints. Number 10. Chair leg raises. Lesley Hlad, a doctor of physical therapy, said in an interview with Health.com that chair leg raises helps you control your range of motion with your legs and less with your arms. While sitting on a chair with your arms by your side, extend your right leg so that the heel is sitting on the floor. Next, lift your leg up. Make sure you avoid rounding your back, and try to lift your leg as high as you can. Hold for 3 seconds and then repeat it with the other leg. Repeat this 10 times for each leg. Repeat the set 2 more times, 3 sets in total. Number 9. Knee to chest. William Oswald, a physical therapist, mentioned in an interview with WebMD that doing range of motion exercises can help with stiffness and improve flexibility. For the hip, he suggests doing the knee to chest exercise. To do the knee to chest exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet firmly on the floor. Slowly bring one of your knees to your chest while the other foot stays on the floor. Hold for a few seconds and then release. Repeat with your other leg. This exercise is great for your lower back and hips. What do you think of these exercises so far? Keep watching for some even more helpful exercises that can help fight against arthritis. Number 8. Wall squat. Physical therapist William Oswald also explained to WebMD that strong muscles will support and strengthen your joints. He adds that strengthening the lower body can take some pressure off the hip and knee joints. To do a wall squat, stand against a wall with your head and back firmly pressed against it. With your feet shoulder width apart and your arms by your side, lower yourself into a squat until your thighs are completely parallel to the floor. Hold this position for as long as you can. Rinse and repeat. This exercise works the glutes, quadriceps, calves, and hamstrings. Number 7. Bicep curls. I know what you're thinking. If you have aching joints in your arms, how are you supposed to lift weights? Well, this exercise should be done with light hand weights or a tension band. Danielle Anderson, a personal and adaptive trainer, told Health.com that building up your endurance will help strengthen your joints and build muscle, which will help with your daily activities. Building up your muscles and strengthening your joints can help fight against arthritis and give you back some of your flexibility. Number 6. Zumba Fitness. Most people wouldn't think twice about doing Zumba if they're suffering from arthritis. But exercise physiologist Karen Locke tells Health.com that Zumba not only burns calories but does it without jarring your joints. She adds that Zumba is mostly about movement and fluidity. Zumba is a special type of exercise program that incorporates cardio-style dance workouts. It is a very fun way to exercise and incorporates many beneficial exercises like interval training. Many people tend to knock Zumba when they first hear about it, but it's actually a very fun and versatile workout that is great for any age. If you're bored of your workout routine and are looking for a change, Zumba might just be the great new alternative for you to try out. Number 5. Qigong. Sometimes the best exercise is the one that is outside of your comfort zone. Tess Franklin, an exercise physiologist, teaches Chinese exercises. Franklin said to Health.com that this exercise is more about strengthening your core muscles in the abdomen area by trying to maintain posture and balance. Qigong has deep roots in Chinese martial arts and involves coordinated body movement, posture, breathing, and aspects of meditation. Not only can it help improve flexibility, coordination, and balance, but it can also calm a person's mind by putting them in a meditative state, which can help ease their minds. Number 4. Elliptical Machine. This exercise can do wonders for people with arthritis. Many people who have arthritis in their knees use this machine at the gym and slowly work their way up. It can help increase their endurance and provide secondary strength to their arms. The elliptical machine is a great alternative to a treadmill, which can be quite taxing on the body and difficult to use if someone has not built up the endurance to run. The elliptical machine is very easy to use, is easy on the joints, and can help build up endurance without the taxing effects of regular cardio machines like a treadmill. It's also a great alternative for someone who has an injury and cannot run outside or on a treadmill, but still wants to get their daily dose of cardio. Number 3. Gardening. I know what you're thinking. Gardening is not an exercise. On the contrary, gardening is an incredible exercise that also has hidden health benefits that you may not be aware of. Pain expert Manu Matthews explains to Health.com that exercise can help boost endorphins, which are feel-good chemicals that can help ease depression. If you were unaware, depression has been linked to RA. Number 2. Pilates. Teresa Sauer, a personal trainer at the YWCA of Minneapolis, was kindly able to explain to Health.com that doing Pilates is a great way to stabilize and strengthen your joints. She suggests that people suffering from arthritis should do the shoulder bridge exercise. This special type of Pilates exercise engages the abdominals and the hamstrings. To do a shoulder bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent. Keep your feet on the floor. Your legs should be hip-width apart, and your arms should extend along your body with the palms facing down. Lift your pelvis upwards until you get to a bridge position. Your shoulders, hips, and knees should all be in line. Pause, and then come back down. Repeat this 10 times for 3 sets. Once you get the hang of it, you can try doing variations of the shoulder bridge, such as one-legged bridges. Number 1. Walking. Exercise physiologist William R. Sakala explained in an interview with Weight Watchers that losing weight goes hand in hand with reducing the pain and regaining flexibility of your joints that are suffering from arthritis. Eric Robertson, who is a physical therapist, agrees with Sakala, stating that cartilage is like a sponge and it gets nutrients from the compression and decompression of your body weight as you walk. Walking can help people who suffer from arthritis regain their mobility. It also provides more activity in their life and can help with weight loss. It is also great for a person's mental well-being. Sometimes, just knowing that you can get out of the house and go for a brisk walk can make all the difference in the world. Exercise to avoid. Those who suffer from arthritis should avoid high-impact exercises to start. For example, do not jump on a treadmill and start running at full speed. You need to ease your muscles and joints into it. The impact could also stimulate the cells that are repairing the cartilage. You should never overdo any type of workout regimen that you have never tried before. It's always best to start slow and gradually. This will help you avoid any risk of injury. These are just some of the best moves that fight against arthritis. Of course, we always suggest that you consult your doctor or personal trainer before you put any type of workout routine together, just to be on the safe side. Being diagnosed with arthritis isn't something a doctor or patient is ever happy with. It hinders everyday activities, and for those who are fitness enthusiasts, it will compromise their workouts. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, from 2013 to 2015, an estimated 54.4 million US adults had been told by doctors that they had some form of arthritis. Arthritis is any type of disorder that will affect the joints. Symptoms, which are generally associated with arthritis, include joint pain, stiffness, swelling, redness, and/or a limited or decreased range of motion in the affected area. With that said, we are pleased to inform you that with some modifications, you can regain flexibility in the joints that are suffering from arthritis and improve your tolerance to exercise and daily movements. What other exercises do you think can help fight against arthritis pain? Let us know by commenting below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.